Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find my Skype link or Skype ID. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to find my Skype link or Skype ID. From this home screen, I would like you to head over to the left corner of your screen. There you're going to find your profile name and of course a lot of things going on in there. So go ahead and click your profile name. Mine is Amanda Mack. So here you have this extended options: celebrating, invite friends, Skype to phone, Skype numbers, Skype profile, bookmarks, clips, gallery settings, and sign in with QR code. Now I'd like you to head over to Skype profile and click on Skype profile. So this is your Skype profile. You see my name, you see my profile picture, sitting pretty. You have the share profile, you have the Skype name. So this is my Skype name, this live colin.cid and blah blah blah. And then you have the email and you have birthday. So this is my Skype ID. This is my Skype ID. All right. So if I want anybody to follow me on Skype and I want them to copy to add me using my Skype ID, I can just copy this, just go ahead and highlight it, and you see that copy option in there. I hope you can see that. So just like this and copy, just click on copy and send it to anybody and they'll be able to receive it. So okay, so if I want to of course get the link, so I'm just going to go through the same process. So click on Skype profile and head over to share profile and click on that share profile option. So this is my link, so copy to clipboard. So I can just go ahead and click on copy to clipboard and send it to anybody so they can join me using the link. I can also send it to people via email or even revoke the share link, just whatever. This is how to get the link. So just go through any of these processes to find your Skype link and your Skype ID. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.